Okay guys, let's go ahead and start working on this all-wheel drive boosted K-build. CSS block, Y-scope pistons, turbo tough rods. The head is stock, K20 Type S head. I believe it's got SuperTech valve springs, stock cams. See how much power it'll make. Gonna go on an all-wheel drive EG. Let's start by putting the flywheel on. And what we're using here is an action clutch, twin disc. It looks like it's been rebuilt. Alex provided it for us. He bought this whole thing from someone unassembled and took it to, I believe, Kenny in LA to assemble. At least they already put a pilot washer on it. Next, we're going to put this on, but first, let's make sure it goes onto the input shaft properly. See? Goes in, but just not very easy. Probably gonna have to loop that. That is set. Now I gotta look for, this thing came with the alignment tool. Okay, finally found everything. So action twin disc clutch. Just make sure your clutch alignment tool goes all the way through. Okay, so let's put both in. And then we're gonna torque this. Okay, let's start by 20. So we'll just go extra tight at 30. I looked it up online. I think it was 24. Asked my son, he said 20 something. So we just went extra tight at 30. Shouldn't make or break it. All right. That should be set. Now let's look for the rest of the bolts. Okay, my apologies. I did not record me putting this on. Spent a lot of time trying to find all the little bolts. I still need a transfer case. I think Alex has that at his house. Next step, gotta figure out what intermediate shaft we're using. I gotta mount the manifold turbo on this side, intermediate shaft, VTEC solenoid, sensors, intake manifold, throttle body, it's a center feed, and then this chingamadiga here with the alternator relocator starter. After that, I gotta get a harness for it. I'll continue on. This video is too short, but yeah, be right back.